Today's first reading from the Acts of the Apostles continues the story that we read yesterday when Peter healed the man who could not walk. Now he addresses the crowd who have witnessed this healing, and he begins to speak as a prophet. He tells the crowd that Jesus was foretold and was foreshadowed in the Old Testament, that the prophets of the Old Testament had foretold of Jesus coming. And that was part of Peter's mission. Peter's experience of the risen Lord led him to preach, it led him to heal, and now it leads him to act as a prophet. And although we don't normally think about ourselves this way, we too are called to be prophets. We're called to give prophetic witness to the reality of the risen Lord. We're called to witness to a new world, a world turned upside down. We're called to live and to witness to a world that is not the same as the tired old world, the normalcy that we experience every day, the normalcy of hatred and prejudice and bitterness and division and violence. We're called to bear witness to an entirely new reality, to a new world, the new reality of unity and of peacemaking and of justice. This is a radical reality. This is not the world that we're used to. And yet, because of the risen Lord, this is the world, the new reality that we are called to bear witness to. This is part of our Easter mission.